There is nothing called 100% data quality. So many people think that data quality means 100 and 0. So the cost required to acquire 100% data quality is going to be tremendous. So you need to understand your business. Do you really need to have 100% data quality? Are those use cases tied to this? Who knows? Sometimes 80% of data quality is good enough to run my operations. So there are only a few cases where question of life and death is involved, where I need 100% data quality. Rest of it, I'm good enough with 75%, 80% data quality. So I accept the fact that 100% data quality is kind of theoretical in nature. It's going to be extremely hard, even if you have the time and resources. And on top of it, all said and done, data is a reflection of the past, and business is an evolving entity. Data is always doing a catch up on how the business is responding. So there is always a lag associated with data capture. Even if you say, I want 100% data quality, you will not get it, because it's physically and biologically impossible to capture and do something about the future. Like, for example, if somebody were to ask me what is going to be the revenue of my company in 2027, it's going to be very difficult, because there is inflation, there is employment, there is macroeconomic factors, and all those things for which I don't have data at all today, right? I need to make some assumptions. So that means it's all probabilistic in nature. So anything to do with predictive analytics or future is going to be probabilistic in nature. So the whole discussion about having this 100% data quality is kind of theoretical in nature. So accept the fact that you are good enough. Only a few cases. I'm not disputing that you don't need at all, but what I'm challenging business leaders is, look at those use cases where you need 100% data quality. Do you really need them? So in most of the cases, in my experience, 80%, 85% is good enough to run your analytics and AI models, given that most of the time analytics and AI is about the future. And there is some kind of assumptions, there's some kind of probability, there's kind of stochastic elements that you need to consider to make it happen. So that would be the two major things which I would advise my clients.